The Pinnacle Hotel and Suites, Davao. Feel at home in the heart of the city. Kamea 3Q Bihon, Palabok, and Kamea Red Crab Sotanghon. Masarap talaga. Regent Uncle Prawn, Indonesian prawn croque. In original, sour cream, and onion flavors. Hotel Sobo. So clean, so good. Tulong! An emergency. Ang hosting ko to may mansang face. Ano ba yan? Yeah, pretend. Wait, posible man siya. Regular hair care can't prevent dandruff. Skincare can. Dove Dermascalp with skincare ingredients. Rebuilds the strength of your scalp for up to 100% dandruff-free hair and 100% health care. Spice curious? Jollibee spicy chicken joint.
Pwede pa.
Pwede. 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 Ay, a little. Yeah. Ano ba yan?
Care for them when they're sick or protect them from harmful germs. Safeguard Great Complete 10 germ protection. So, targets for gatas. Energy.
Yes.
Mahulog ka. Lakas pa naman ako doon.
Teka, dagdagan natin lakas mo. Ensure Go, my HMP Infallible Protein para sa 2 times improved. Ensure Go. Later. More happy.
No! No!
100% danger-free hair. Make every day a Head and Shoulders Day.
No.
Tulungan na kita.
Oo, sabagay, magandang panding ka sa akin, guys. Ngayong Sabado.
Ay, wala ko rito.
Hindi dito, Sabado. Core to shop. Bubuhos ng nostalgic feels kasama ang triplets, Cheryl, Tina, Annalyn, Ice Playing It, with Rosel Nava. Concert vibes din ang hatid ni Julian San Jose, Ashley,
You're
DJ
Mary Mary, you'll never have to see alone.
Little small na.
It's not just so small. Marinate, have to be alone, I'll be ready. Such a bit cold, and to keep it sorry. Baby, yes, I only want what? No? No pay.
Parang yan ang pwede natin walang di ba ay pag saksan dapat gumigit na dapat. Paano yun? I'm the mother of the groom and the bride. Oo, parang hirap. Okay, good luck sa inyong dalawa. Galing ang explanation at mahangain ng combination dito sa Declamation.
Huh? Huh? Maybe.
Diba?
Mm-mm.
Grabe, nag-iinsulit ko na pala. Paano sila? Kahit bakit ate?
I can. They are small. I can already. Small.
Okay, may tugtog na. Ray! Ano? Kung ikaw ang original jowa, sa kilitang tapang sumastakit sa'yo. Kung ikaw... Sabi na yun. Para sa kalidan ng magiging jowa ko, eto lang ang sasabihin ko sa'yo. Kayo na siya.
I could
Kung
help.
magiging masaya
That's why I read.
mo.
You know, I didn't even realize you had a knife and you were using it.
Ako, na may talino ako, na may talento ako. At despite scars on my heart, by the force of you, I will accept the decision na ibibigay niya dahil sa magiging masaya. And I thank you.
Huwag po man itong TV.
Pray, tawagin na natin si Sandy. Hindi na secure sorry, Sandy. Hindi na secure
Kaya.
It's still okay? Ay, maganda maibat sa cellphone.
Okay. Huh?
Ang gagawin mo sa Kirita
Oh, and
kesa sa'yo. Ikaw ang original
no, this one.
Anong gagawin mo sa Kirita? Mas matapang pa umasta kesa sa'yo. Sagot! I believe, ladies and gentlemen,
Dr. Harlow.
wala akong gagawin sa kanila. Bakit? May pinag-edukado kong tao. Wala akong gagawin sa kanya kasi at the end of the day, nagkulang ako. Pero masarap at masaya na sinabi sa akin ang pagkukulang ko. Para na sa ganun, naging better ako para sa sarili ko. At the end of the day, it's always